So what is the value of integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square dx? So let us substitute. Put x is equal to tan theta. So differentiating, we'll have dx is equal to differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta d theta. Also, so when x is equal to 0, so tan theta is equal to 0, so implies theta is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1, implies theta is equal to, let us consider pi by 4. So the integral will change from 0 to 1 to 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, and log of x is tan theta, so we can write 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta into dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. So we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So let us substitute here. So we'll have integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta upon secant square theta into secant square theta d theta. So we can cancel this secant square theta. So we will get here, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. So let us consider this is first one, or say I is equal to, let us consider let I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta. Then now by using our property integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, so that we can write integral I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus in place of theta we can write pi by 4 minus theta. So 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta d theta, so which equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of, so we have tan pi by 4 minus theta formula, so we have tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. So let us use this formula here, or we can substitute tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a is equal to tan pi by 4, that is 1, and tan b is equal to tan theta. So we'll get this. So 1 plus tan pi by 4, that is 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. So which implies, or which equals to 0 to pi by 4. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of, let's simplify this. So we'll have 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta by taking LCM upon 1 plus tan theta, we can write d theta, or which equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. So tan theta get cancelled, so this is log of 2 upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. So again it is in the form of like a log of a by b. So we have the formula log a by b is equal to log a minus log b, ln a of ln a minus ln b, log a minus log b, we can do it. So which equals to, so we can add 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 4 So let me separate that. We had 1 plus tan theta d theta. So the second integral is same as I. So from the first one, so which is equal to I is equal to this minus, so let us bring this as I plus I equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. What is integration of 0 to pi by 4? Log 2. Let me write directly, or let me write here one more step. So I is equal to, so integral of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 is nothing but log 2 into differential integration of d theta is theta will have, so with the limits 0 to pi by 4, and again this is minus I. So this can also be written I plus I is equal to log 2 into, applying the limits here, pi by 4 minus 0. So which implies here 2I is equal to log 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, that is pi by 4. Or we can write here integral I is equal to, so I is equal to log 2 into pi, so let me write pi here, upon 2 into 4, this is 8. So the answer is pi by 8 log 2. So pi upon 8 log 2 is the answer. Okay, thank you.